Honda Fury Chopper Review. A sleek, cinematic view of the 2025 Honda Fury Chopper, parked in a scenic location. Welcome back to Rider Fusion, your ultimate destination for everything on two wheels. Today, we're diving into a bold, head-turning ride, the 2025 Honda Fury Chopper. This motorcycle is where classic chopper aesthetics meet modern engineering. Whether you're a seasoned rider or new to the chopper game, this bike has plenty to talk about. So, let's rev it up and see what makes the Fury a standout in Honda's lineup. Design and style, a true chopper look. The 2025 Honda Fury is a masterpiece of chopper design, offering a stretched-out silhouette that screams custom craftsmanship. The raked-out front fork, wide rear tire, and minimalist details make it a head-turner on the streets. For 2025, Honda introduced fresh color options, including a stunning metallic crimson red and jet black, both accented with premium chrome finishes. It's a bike that blends bold, timeless aesthetics with the reliability Honda is known for. If you want a ride that makes a statement, the Fury checks all the boxes. Engine and performance, smooth power. Underneath the sleek exterior lies a powerful 1,312 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin engine. It delivers smooth, torquey power that's perfect for cruising highways or tackling city streets. The engine's fuel injection system ensures reliable performance and efficiency, even on longer rides. And with its shaft drive system, maintenance is minimal, giving you more time on the road and less time in the garage. Comfort and rideability, built for the open road. Despite its aggressive chopper looks, the 2025 Honda Fury is surprisingly comfortable. The low 26.9-inch seat height, forward-set foot controls, and wide handlebars offer a relaxed riding position. The suspension setup, featuring a 45mm telescopic fork in the front and a rear monoshock, absorbs bumps and keeps the ride smooth. Whether you're cruising solo or adding some flair with optional accessories, the Fury is built for all-day comfort. Tech features and customization options. The Fury keeps things simple with an easy-to-read LCD display, while optional accessories let you add a personal touch. From passenger backrests to saddlebags and windshields, Honda offers a range of add-ons to make the bike uniquely yours. If you're looking for a tech-laden bike, this might not be the one. But for chopper purists, that simplicity is all part of the charm. Pricing and final thoughts. The 2025 Honda Fury comes in at an MSRP of just under $12,000, making it one of the most affordable factory-built choppers on the market. With its jaw-dropping design, reliable performance, and undeniable street presence, the Fury is perfect for riders who want a chopper that's as dependable as it is stylish. So, is the 2025 Honda Fury your next dream ride? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for tuning in to Rider Fusion. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more in-depth motorcycle reviews, tips, and adventures. Until next time, ride safe and keep the rubber side down.